Hello, Alan Kawit. Good day, classmates. We are the unknown group of Forensic 5 Lie Detection Techniques of BSCREAM 3F.
Meaning of polygraph. Polygraph examinations are based on the principle that physiological responses can indicate deception. These responses include changes of blood pressure, heart rate, respiration, and skin conductivity. Polygraph instrument records these responses as the examiner answers a series of questions. These physiological changes are believed to occur due to the stress or anxiety associated with deception. Importance of polygraph examinations are used in the various settings, including law enforcement investigation, employment screening, and security clearance. Understanding the physiological indicators of this deception can professionals assess the credibility of individuals and make informed decisions in their respective fields. Example in criminal investigation. Polygraph examination can help investigators narrow down suspects or gather additional information. In employment screening, polygraphs can be used to verify truthfulness of applicants regarding their verifications or background. In security clearance, polygraph can assess an individual's honesty and truthfulness, particularly in sensitive position. Historical background. The development of polygraph dates back to early 20th centuries with John Augustus Larson's investigation in 1921. Larson's, a medical student and a police officer, created a device that measures changes in blood pressure to detect deception. Over the years, the polygraph technology has evolved, incorporating additional physiological measurement and refining the interpretation of results.
Meaning of polygraphy. Polygraphy encompasses the study and practices of using polygraph for deception detection. It involves understanding the psychological responses measured by the polygraph and interpreting them in the context of the examination. Personalities in the development of deception detection and polygraph. John Augustus Larson, known as the inventor of the polygraph, Larson's work laid the foundation for modern polygraph technology. William Moulton Marston. Marston contributed to the development of the modern polygraph by introducing the systolic blood pressure test as an indicator of deception. Leonard Keeler. Keeler made significant improvements to the polygraph by incorporating the galvanic skin response measurement, enhancing its effectiveness in detecting detection.
Four major components of analog polygraph. First is the phenomegraph, measures changes in respiration pattern. Second is cardiograph, records heart rate and blood pressure fluctuations. Third is galvanograph, monitors changes in skin conductivity, also known as the galvanic skin response. Fourth is the polygraph chart, display the recorded physiological responses graphically, allowing examiners to analyze patterns during questioning. Chart polygraphs is a polygraphs produce polygrams or charts that visually represent the psychological responses recorded during the examination. These charts typically display the changes in respiration, heart rate, blood pressure, and skin conductivity over the course of the questioning.
Okay, so the number 6 is the other parts of the analog polygraph machine. So the other parts of the analog polygraph machine is the stimulus presentation system presents questions to the examinee in the standardized manner. Recording instruments record the physiological responses onto paper charts, providing a permanent record of the examination. And that's number 7, types of polygraphs. Analog polygraphs. Traditional polygraph instruments that use mechanical instruments to measure and record physiological responses. The next is computerized polygraphs. It is utilized digital technology for data collection and analysis, offering more advanced features and capabilities compared to analog polygraphs.
So, general uses of polygraph. So, criminal investigations used by law enforcement agencies to gather information, narrow down suspects, or verify the truthfulness of witnesses or suspects. So, the pre-employment screening. Employers may use polygraph examinations to assess the honesty and integrity of job applicants, particularly for positions that involve handling sensitive information or financial responsibilities. So, security clearance processes. So, government agencies and organizations may require polygraph examinations as part of the security clearance process to evaluate an individual's trustworthiness and reliability. So, probation and parole monitoring. So, polygraph examinations can be used as a tool for monitoring individuals on probations or parole to ensure compliance with the terms of their release. So, and the relationship counseling. Polygraph examinations can be used in therapeutic settings to facilitate communication and resolve conflicts between partners or family members. Theory of polygraph examination. The theory behind polygraph examinations is based on the assumption that deceptive answers elicit physiological responses associated with stress or anxiety. These responses, such as increased heart rate, sweating, or changes in respirations, are believed to be indicative of deception by comparing the physiological responses during relevant and controlled questions. Examiners can assess the likelihood of deception. So, number 10, the psychology of lying. So, lying is a complex psychological phenomenon influenced by various factors, including cognitive processes, emotional states, and social dynamics. People may lie for different reasons, such as self-preservation, avoiding consequences, protecting others, or gaining advantage. So, understanding the psychological mechanisms underlying lying can help in interpreting polygraph results and assessing the credibility of individuals.
And lastly, the nervous system. So as we all know, the nervous system plays a central role in the physiological responses measured by polygraphs. Specifically, the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntarily bodily functions, regulates the physiological changes associated with stress and arousal. The sympathetic nervous system, also in particular, is activated during stressful situations, leading to physiological responses such as increased heart rate, sweating, and changes in respiration. By monitoring these autonomic responses, polygraph examiners can assess the examinee's level of arousal and potential deception. Okay, so expanding on these concepts provides a comprehensive understanding of polygraphy and its applications in various fields. It underscores the interdisciplinary nature of deception detection, incorporating knowledge from psychology, physiology, and technology.